Hurricane Helene made a lot of damages in Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Tennessee. But take a look. FEMA, you can go to website, official website is FEMA.gov, assistance NC. You can apply for housing voucher, so FEMA pays for your housing, temporary housing, even for repairs. That's why do it, apply, especially west coast of Florida, who had damage. Treasury Island, St. Petersburg, Tampa. For example, Central Florida, South Florida is fine, it's okay, but west, a little bit damaged. That's why go to this website, apply, and apply for even house repairs. It doesn't matter if you have insurance, home insurance, flood insurance, wind insurance, it doesn't matter. For example, if your insurance doesn't pay, FEMA can pay. So save this information, share this video with people, and apply please, and share your experience. Did you get money? How much did you get? How long did you wait for this help? And we have houses we can provide. If you get voucher, please come. We have houses in Kissimmee, in Poinciana, in different areas in Central Florida. Okay, so subscribe, give like to this video, and all links will be in comments.